What up, y'all? Welcome back to the... Well, I guess this is gonna be a... Should this be its own separate video, or should this be in the Teeks week? It's Sunday, November the 15th. I'm currently 37 weeks. This is one day after the baby shower. My sister is here. My sister is here. You guys say hi. It's Teeks week. Teeks week, yeah. We about to do the belly cast while they here, and we watching Chance, One More Chance, because everybody want to watch this show. And I'm making them do the belly cast before I go into labor, because I bought this belly cast. So we about to lay out this stuff, and I'm about to let Denisha, my mom, my cousin, she like, I'm not doing this. My cousin, I'm about to let them lay the little stuff down on my belly. So we about to do it right here. I need the stool too. I'm about to get this stool, and we're just gonna do it right here. I'm about to change. And yeah, they about to get their wine and stuff, and we just gonna have a little girly, fun little moments and make memories, cause that's what I want to do. They irritated with me. All right, so y'all, I'm about to set y'all up on the tripod. We got to start. Where Denisha at? Oh, there go Denisha. She about to do it too. Yeah. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna set the camera up. Can you bring the stool in here too?
What stool?
In the kitchen, like one of the tall stools. Yeah. And then y'all, I'm probably just gonna like maybe put music over this a little bit too. Half music, half like us. What's the name? No. Have y'all ever seen my cousin on camera? I don't know if y'all have. Have they ever seen? I don't know if you've ever been on any of my vlogs. You ain't never been on none of my videos.
Here.
Have you? Yeah. Oh yeah, you was on gender reveal.
Oh.
You can set it right there because we gotta put the what's the name down.
Which way you want it to face?
Yeah, we can do it this side first. Yeah. Should we do it right here? There's enough light in here. I might have to move the chair down. You can come in the camera too. You got a can of water on?
We gotta get the nobody walking in the front door.
You don't think we should do it over there? Over here?
In front of the bar.
We can.
It's going right over there.
You want me to go to bring it over there?
I mean, I just don't care.
Exactly. Yeah.
I won't look up you on crutches, okay? Your belly gonna be on crutches. Where the pen?
I think Mama got it.
Tell. I'm about to try it again. Oh, right here. Oh, I got to work.
Y'all want it? Should I use this one?
Sure, yeah. That's one more too.
Is it another light?
Somebody.
Look at me, Mom.
I think she made it.
Yeah.
I think we don't
Wow. This way for me.
Like what you see. I like what I see.
Yeah.
Alright, so. So again, we just put this in the...
It said, what is direction?
You had friends in the casting, didn't you? I'm just wondering, you know, if my brother was getting out on my mind.
Dip plastic strip and water one at a time. Press each strip onto the casting area of plastic. So I think, it just said break out some of the water. So it ain't so much water. Yeah.
This is a long one.
The short one, y'all want to do the top first? And then go to the
Mike, man, you my brother, man, and you got this rascal in my house.
Just rascal.
Take that rag off. Do that. She whipped off the do-rag, man. I don't even know why she had it on. There was no Murray grease. No, man.
Did you break your water out? In there? Not on me. You got a lot. Because you gotta straighten it out now. You're making a mess.
This is hard.
Easy, girl. It's
Like when you put it in, it's straight.
yes.
Y'all gotta break it out.
Your girl gotta wait.
Okay, we're gonna tell. It is.
I don't think we needed that much water.
It's not easy. I'm telling you. It's just shrinking in my head. Let's try one more time.
Okay, that's a practice.
No, it's hard.
Pour some of that water out. I feel like I got too much water.
Oh, we just okay. So just dip it quick. Okay.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Where you from? Down here?
Stop.
You got a lot of air on your voice. I like women with bodies like that, you know?
Bring it
But
closer.
from the looks of that jaw, I'm like, hold on, pause.
I think you just gotta start. You just gonna have to start. You gonna have to shape it on me. You're gonna have to shape it on me. Yeah.
Milk doesn't buy.
I'm the shaper.
Come on, baby.
Yeah.
But it's
You need a, what is it?
come forward, Graham.
Yeah, that's
You
what
wanna
you
go
do.
you, Graham?
Shape it on me.
Of course, it's not the
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because it's like a smoother.
You
You
know,
get what I'm saying?
I thought she'd be good, man. You know, she has
Yeah, then you should love it. Yeah,
Oh, I'm trying to get out of drowning.
So look, we got some house rules going on in this house.
Oh, so you really smooth me out.
Y'all just gonna come up here and start tearing, torture so
Hey, Jennifer, you know, tell my sister I need a rag. Just
Yeah,
Trying to get money.
give me a
You feel hurt.
that's it. Oh, yeah. Hey, y'all.
Some more later.
Don't be tearing up this shit. Don't be
Let me get like a good. Denisha, y'all want to get in the frame? I need a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail.
What we gonna?
Somebody get in the frame. You do something funny. Wait, I want to be in there. Hold on, not yet. Get in there. Change up y'all thing. Okay, we got it. It's one of those. Alright, we was doing our thumbnail. We're gonna try to take it off. Do I need to stand up?
Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Yeah, stand up. Yeah.
Without breaking it.
Why should you record?
I am recording.
Oh, duh.
Ow.
It hurt?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Oh my God, there's hair on my.
Oh.
Oh my God. See? Wait.
Girl, you thought this hurt.
Right, you talking about wait.
Right.
Little at a time.
We don't.
Little.
Ma, you gotta record this.
Wait a minute, girl.
It's coming off.
It's
Just do
coming.
it softly. Do it softly. You don't wanna break the cast. Tip softly. You peel it up.
I can't do it no softer. Okay.
Shake it off the belly. Ah! Girl. Wait, you ripping it. You ripping it. Oh my God. I'm gonna be mad if it breaks. You recording this one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's off. Don't rip it. Oh yeah. Did it dry? Oh, it did.
Supposed to sleep in it?
No, wait. Y'all, we cooked tugging too much.
How are you supposed to
How you gonna get it off?
Soft. Just soft. Hold
Sister?
on, I feel it coming off. Y'all just trying to rip it.
We're not. You pull it
We
off.
already got
I
it.
am trying. Just give me a second.
Let your baby kick it off.
It's gradually coming off. I'm telling you.
I'm trying to
You
get
see?
your skin off.
I know, that's why I'm doing it.
Okay, yeah, you do it.
You do it, yeah. You know your.
Do up here.
I'm about to get it.
Okay.
The receiver?
Oh, he in there painting in there. Hold on. I gotta plug it back up.
Oh.
Can we put some more water on it? Once we can scope it once I get it on.
Yeah. As long as it got the shape of the belly.
Ooh, child, this is hard. Somebody hold underneath here.
This part off?
Wait, hold on. I just need somebody to hold this so we know. Wait, did we get this part?
No, and on this side.
Okay. This ripping?
Yeah, that's how they do that part. I wonder if it's because of the freaking claw.
Yeah.
It's sticking, it's this remains to come off your skin. I don't know. It's sticking to the freaking.
Oh, wait. I was hoping that it had dried enough. Well, it's off her, so that's the good part. Because she was not like, girl, this is harder than I thought. No wonder why people be. Artists for mama, baby. Mama.
Girl, I'll be like,
It's a
look.
bra part.
Okay.
Bra.
Yeah.
I wonder if we keep it on for long. Okay. This bro's done, y'all.
Don't let it mess about it.
Okay. This about to be Mama like. I need somebody, one of y'all gonna have to
What?
rip this because I can't bend back, yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Taking off the belly cast.
Yeah, you doing it better
It's
than
the
I
belly
did.
cast for me.
Yeah. Cause I couldn't get it, sis. Yeah, well, ain't it,
Okay.
you getting it better than I am.
Try not to.
Yeah. No, you good.
Okay. Punched in the
Mama,
Well, shoot. Don't mind me to never break my freaking leg and get a cast.
Right.
That's how it is.
is this how fast it be?
Mm-hmm.
I guess. I think they do it a lot better than we do. Still.
It's gonna
Wait,
take us
wait.
3 minutes, 45
You ain't
seconds.
gotta record though. You got it, didn't you? This one?
That's kind of weird.
Where's it? Oh, shit.
You got to put some duct tape on it.
Put some more strips on it.
Yeah, we can add more strips too. I just gotta get it off first. Okay, just be watch the thing.
I don't think that's where we do it. I don't think you can put it on. I mean, I don't know if you can try it.
At least they got that.
What is the belly?
I mean, yeah, that's the main
That's
part.
the main part.
The boobs is cool, but I've seen people with just the cast. You can always keep up with this is the main thing you want the formula for. Maybe we should use a freaking blow dry. She really didn't like that. We use the blow dry.
Yeah, they had a good thing.
That would be crazy if she was been moving. It molded like
Oh,
her knee
underneath.
being up or something. That would be funny.
I'm gonna just add another layer.
You should paint it like you should make it.
Brown.
Make it brown.
Like your skin color.
Or put Chanel on it. Make it Chanel.
Yeah, I did get my belly. I can shower it. Now I need to freaking take a shower.
Yes, you never was.
Y'all ain't getting that on y'all, did you?
It's got on my hands, but I washed it.
I did as much as I could.
It's done for.
Yeah, I was gonna say.